Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Have you ever wondered what school is really like through the eyes of the students? Well, you're in the right place. Welcome to our school, SDIT, Rifat Kreatif, with our newest bilingual program, Rifhaters Speak English. With me, Miss Wanik, and I'm here today. I'm so excited because I'm going to have a chit chat with our bright and insightful students of the third grader of SDIT Rifat Kreatif. So, without further ado, let's welcome to the guest speakers of today, Farzan and Atta.
Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Well, hello guys, how are you doing?
Good.
Okay, so this is our news program, Rifhaters Speak English, and at this program, I want you to speak up, right? Speak up about your school, all right? About your journey at your school. Okay, but first of all, can you introduce yourself? Who wants to go first? Okay,
I'm Atta. I am 9 years old. I am from the third grade of Al-Kawarizmi class. My hobby are drawing and playing games.
Oh, you like playing games and drawing?
Yes.
What do you like to draw?
Anything.
Anything? Maybe you can give me some examples.
Like cars,
Plane, robots, maybe? Oh, yeah. Okay, that's nice, Atta. And it's your turn.
My name is Fauzan. I'm 9 years old. I'm in the third grade of Al-Kawarizmi. My hobbies are gaming and reading books.
Okay. Reading books. So I like reading books too, Farzan. And both of you like gaming. What kind of games?
Roblox.
Roblox. And you?
Roblox too, but there's like her, but some horror games like Poppy Playtime.
Horror games? Oh my god, you like horror games.
Yeah.
Aren't you afraid?
No, the games are really scary.
Oh yeah, okay, I see. Are you thirsty?
Yes. Yeah.
Would you like some drink? Yeah. Wait a minute. Thank you, Mr. Chan. Excuse me. Here we go. I have some drinks for you. Get some drink first before we have a nice talk. See, let me help you. Right hand, please. Yeah. Okay, Atta. And Farzan, let's talk about your school and the adventures of your experience here. Right? Okay. Do you like your school?
Yes. Yeah.
Really? May I know why?
Because there's no one mocking me or mean or evil here.
Or there's no one mocking at you or mean at you here. So it means you have lots of nice friends here.
Yes.
Really? And you have a best friend? No, but you have nice friends. Almost all of them in your classmates. Oh, okay, nice. How about you, Farzan? Why do you like your school?
Because of the teacher. The teachers are nice.
Oh, because of the teachers. The teachers are nice. So who is your favorite teacher?
Miss Eka.
Miss Eka. Miss Eka is teaching? Miss Eka is teaching math, right?
Yeah.
Is teaching math. So your favorite subject, I suppose that must be math.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. How about you?
Miss Monik.
Miss Monik.
Yes.
Where is Miss Monik? So your favorite subject must be
English.
English. Okay, that was awesome, guys. Okay. Let's talk about your homework. Usually I always give you homework once in a month, right?
Oh.
Yeah. Remember the last homework we had? Okay, can you tell me how do you think about that after your homework? You had the homework since you were in the first grade, right, Farzan? Okay, what do you think about it?
Like it's really nice.
That's
Now what is it? I always forget about it.
but you always forget to do the homework. Cool. What about you?
What is it to do the homework, but sometimes I have to play with my friends, so I just forgot them.
Oh, you forgot either to do the homework, both of you? Inshallah.
Sometimes.
Oh, sometimes. Okay. Okay, that's nice. Alright, guys. So talking about the school and the teacher, I want to ask you something. If you were a teacher at SDIT or Rifat Kreatif, what would you do?
Someone do something bad, I'll warn them. Twice, warn them again. 3 times, detention.
Oh, you're gonna give the retention.
Yes.
So, first one, if they do something bad, you're going to warn them. And then the second ones, you're going to warn them too. And then the third ones, you're going to give them intention. What kind of intention? What do you think?
Clean the bathroom.
Clean the bathroom. Yes. How about you? What would you do if you were a teacher? Same like him or not?
Same like you.
Same like him. What kind of intention will you do?
Like, like, like,
Maybe cut off all of the stars.
oh yeah.
Yeah, so they have no more stars.
Don't cut off don't cut off all the stars. Cut like half of it.
Yeah, cut the half of it. Okay. Okay. That's acceptable. So in our school, when the students do something bad, we cut off or delete their stars. Okay, but we don't ask them to clean the bathroom. Okay, that's nice. Okay, and the second question is, if you are a teacher, what kind of silly rules that you might do or you might apply at our school? But the first thing to do you obey the rules at school?
Yes.
Yes. So what kind of silly rules that you would do if you are a teacher?
Every Monday, you have to bring apples to school.
Every Monday you have to
Bring apples to school.
bring apples to school. What
For lunch.
for lunch? Okay, so every student should bring their
Apple.
apples to school to have lunch together. Okay, that's nice. How about you?
Uh, uh, I think, I think, I think, and Tuesday you should wear costume.
Oh,
in case there,
Thursday you have to wear costume. What
Yeah.
kind of costume?
like
That's interesting. What kind of costume?
what kind of costume? Like any case today.
Maybe their favorite
Yeah, their favorite.
their favorite character is like superhero maybe?
La, or maybe silly ones.
Or maybe the silly ones. Is this like superhero costume or maybe the silly ones? Including the teachers or not? Including the teachers?
No.
No. Okay. Okay, Pak Farzan, I would like to ask you something, but a deep question. So, what kind of the most unexpected fans that you have ever had? Maybe just like funny moments or sad moments that you have ever had here? Can you tell me?
I see. I fall asleep while in English.
Let's start that.
Yes.
You fall asleep in my class. Yeah, I remember that. And what did I do after that? Oh, ini ask you to wake up, right? Yeah, I remember that one. Why? Why did you get asleep?
Because yesterday night I didn't sleep because of my friends got a mamar.
Shit. So your friends asked you to play, so you stayed up. So in the morning you woke up late and then you got sleepy. That's good. Don't do it again, okay? Apa? And Farzan, have you got something funny at school?
Like when I think I bring my pencil, but I actually didn't bring my pencil.
Oh, so you have no pencils to write?
Yes.
So what did you do?
I asked my friend to borrow the pencil.
Oh, you ask your friend. Usually you borrow pencil from who? Gafan or Hamas or maybe Fauzan?
For that.
From Fauzan. Okay, that's nice, guys. Okay, and now do you have a dream?
Yes, I have a dream.
Of course, everybody has a dream, and me too. So, what is your dream, and how the school can help you to achieve your dream?
My dream is to become an astronaut.
Sorry?
My dream is become to
Become an astronaut.
Yes.
And then how the school can help you to achieve your dream?
So I can learn things I can prepare for when I become astronaut.
Also, you can learn a lot of things at school.
Yes.
Okay, and how about you, Farzan?
Because of it, the
Yeah, what's your dream? What's your dream?
yeah, my dream is to become a game developer.
Game developer. Okay, nice. And then, how can the school help you to achieve your dream?
By the ICT class.
By the ICT class.
Yes.
Oh, so you learn technology in ICT class?
Yeah.
ICT is in, what's the span for ICT?
ICT.
You don't know?
Don't know.
Yeah, I forgot either. I forgot by myself. Okay. Do you have any advice to the younger students or for your juniors for the level 1 and level 2 in improving their English?
If you want to improve your English, you could watch some TV with subtitles English or voice line with English. Movies or cartoons, anything you desire. I watch Captain Underpants with subtitles English and English voice lines.
Okay. So what's the English cartoon? So you can understand, yeah, right? With the subtitle of English, right?
So you can
What's your favorite English cartoon?
Captain Underpants.
Captain Underpants? Oh, where's my phone? Where's my phone?
Tralala.
Well, I have never seen Captain Underpants before, so I'm curious. What is Captain Underpants?
You just watch one episode. It's kind of funny.
Oh, yeah. So do you watch that every day?
Yes.
Captain Underpants.
Yes.
So let's see.
There's the Halloween one and there's the what's called Christmas one.
Oh, yeah.
There were
Underpants.
on it.
You mean this one?
Yes.
That one?
Yes.
See? This one, Captain Underpants. If you can see, Captain Underpants. So Appa always watch this to improve your English. Yeah, okay, Fanzan. And you, Fanzan? What do you watch? Or what do you do to improve your English? Maybe you have some advice for your juniors.
Same with the
Same with Atta. What is it?
watch cartoon with English English cartoon.
Watch English cartoon. And also, do you have another?
No.
No, maybe just like you said, you like reading. So maybe you like reading English books.
Yeah.
Yes. Yeah, that's nice. So, what's your favorite English cartoon, Farzan?
SpongeBob.
SpongeBob. Can you sing the song of SpongeBob?
SpongeBob.
SpongeBob SquarePants, SpongeBob SquarePants. Okay. So, why do you think that watching English cartoon or watching English movie can help you to improve your English?
By hearing them, you can learn them.
You can learn, okay.
When seeing the subtitles, you can write them.
Oh yeah, and seeing the subtitles, you can
Write them.
write them. And Farzan, how do you think it can help you?
Like like the subtitles. Like the subtitles maybe have the word that you don't know and you will search it out.
So you can learn many new words and how to make a sentence in from the subtitles. Okay, guys. That's very nice. So last question to wrap up our program today, our session today. I would like to ask you another question. The last questions. What makes you proud to be the part of SDIT Rifhaters Kreatif?
Because I was the first kid who become the first guest speaker in his program.
Okay, so because you are being the first speaker who are here in this program, and
me is because I join the climb and air every year.
also you doing time and error every year, and the school helps you, your teacher helps you. Okay, masya Allah ya. So that's very nice, guys. I wish that I suppose that you had a incredible years Yeah, and I hope you can have another excellent experience in the rest of your school year. What an amazing third grader. Thank you for coming. Thank you for having a nice talk with Miss Monica. Okay, okay. I hope I can see you next time. And thank you everyone for tuning in. I hope you enjoy it and see you later. Bye. See you later. Bye bye. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye bye.
Dadah.